Hello, I am Yogesh Kumar Pandey. For the DIY assignment, I have made three models. The first model is twisted vase. As you can see this, I made this model using four triangle and used the angle tool, and then used additive loft feature to make the wall of the vase. The second one is the flower pot model. You can see it. I made this model using polygon and B-spline tool, and then I have made use of revolve sketch feature to create the 3D model of the flower pot, and then I gave it a thickness of 2 mm. The third one is the penstand. So I have made this model using padded feature. Then using the array, I created the array of blocks, and in boolean operator I use cut the shape option to remove the block, and this is my final model. Thank you.